I'm gonna ride the cable car for you lot. Yeah, I don't do cable cars very well, so I hope you appreciate this. I know you will do. So I'm gonna take it all the way down the Great Orme and hopefully show you some spectacular views. It's a little bit cloudy over the sea today, but hopefully we'll still have some spectacular views. So yeah, let's go and see, shall we? And brave this cart. As you can see, that's a queue for a cable car. There's your entrance there. Come in from that way. And yeah. And there's the information there for your prices. So it's 50p extra to return. Just cash payment only as well. Already, people. Oh, days. Lovely views. Oh, God. Sorry, people. Shakes. Oh, days. Lovely views. Lovely views. Yeah, just enjoy with me. I'm absolutely terrified at the moment. Oh, days. Look. Wow. I'm sat in the middle. Incredible views. Such incredible views. See if we can put that up a bit more so you can see. So of course that's the line. This coal mine is over 4,000 years old. Apparently that's at the moment anyway. Over there is Mount Snowdonia. And then we've got behind us there's Llandudno over there, and the halfway tram station as well. Trying to get to the edge, but my nerves are going even more. So yeah, and then of course there's the Irish Sea over there. peaceful around here. But yeah, of course this ends up going back into Llandudno. Yeah, so there's your halfway tram station there. I hope you're enjoying this, people, because I am, but very nervous, very nervous. There you go, over there as well. We've got Llandudno Junction, I believe. Coming off of those mountains. That's the part that frightens me. Oh, there's plenty of streams, as you can see. They're all saying hello to you, if you can hear them. I don't know what the wind noise is like up here. But yeah. It's towards the back of us again. This time, down. This is where it's going to end up going faster as well when it goes down. That's what I don't like. Beautiful views, beautiful views. And then, as you can see, Llandudno Pier, I hope. Because I can't quite see. Oh, the screen's gone off as well. Yeah, so you got Llandudno Pier. Oh, this bit I'm gonna hate. You can see it goes all the way down. So you've got park area there as well. Oh my days, oh my days, oh my days. Look at that beautiful gardens down there. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see much. But yeah, beautiful gardens by the looks of it. go. Going a little bit faster.